Jag vet inte vad jag ska säga.
Why are we replacing this?
Jag måste fundera bara några sekunder, vänta. Why are we replacing?
Jag kan ju ställa frågorna.
Gör det?
Ja.
Yeah.
So, why are we replacing the stock steel cable for the winch?
Because the stock line sucks. Our winch line is much better for several reasons. To start with, this steel wire, after some over time, it's gonna get sharp, really sharp, and you're gonna cut your fingers. And also another thing is that this wire is silver. Our winch ropes are in several different colors. You got blue, green, yellow, red, black, gray, and pink.
We missed one.
I like pink. Where is the last one?
Where's, oh. Please explain to me what color is that?
This color, to be honest, is supposed to be brown, but our supplier, I don't know if they're colorblind or what, but this is like orange.
I think it's copper. Copper sounds more exquisite.
Yeah, it does.
So
Copper.
is that it?
Yep.
Should we do this outside or inside?
Depends on the weather.
I think because it's raining, I think you should do this outside and I will stand in here and videotape things. The shocks aren't that impressive.
No, we tried to jump it here in a trench, but it didn't end well. Broken back.
So, do we have any friends making shocks out there that would be interested in kind of donating?
Maybe.
3 shocks?
Maybe 4.
4. UHMW. Where is it? There are no UHMWPE. Ultra high molecular weight polyethylene.
Super duper winch line.
It's a strong rope.
Yes.
Cheers.
David has been a tool salesman.
So sales representative.
Now he is an exhaust salesman and a winch line salesman. I'm not sure what I am. I am the business owner, and I built some exhausts. I built 25 of them today. But usually we have 3 guys in the shop doing that every day, 8 hours a day. People that work here. How many we are?
A separate episode about the whole company and everyone.
Okay, separate episode.
And we're then removing this. What's this called?
Contraption.
It's a contraption
It's a
for
bear trap.
bear trap. Did you say bear or beard?
Beard trap. You can get stuck with your beard. Stop screw for the steel winch line.
We're also replacing that with our own fairlead.
Yes. Can I choose the line?
Yes, you can choose any color you like if you take that one.
I haven't decided about the theme.
I have an idea.
Okay.
Let's like, if I throw them at you and the one you catch.
With my eyes closed.
Yes.
Okay. No!
Yes. Okay, so it's thing yes. And was not using his eyes.
No, my eyes were closed. Closed.
They were
Not open.
unconnected to his brain.
Okay.
We did a surgical hole.
The hole.
So,
Ska vi se.
I think we have done trickier things than this before. We're going to have some pretty decent material from this. Kind of. What?
God damn
What's
it.
wrong with this?
How,
If I remove the key,
if anybody have any ideas on how to get this machine to stop making noises,
please.
please give me a call.
First person who tells us how to get rid of that noise wins an RJWC cap.
Yeah. I need some help now.
You can't have it.
I need some help because we have to get the winch moving.
So what do you want me to do?
I want you to use the winch switch. But wait,
Okay.
wait. We need the fairlead.
Why do we have a fairlead?
Because it's awesome. Just look at it.
This one is in gunmetal gray. CNC machine from a billet piece of aluminum, 6061. Gunmetal gray anodized.
And this is a nice feature to
Yeah.
your vehicle. But this one can only be used with this type of winch line. Not
Another reason to get rid of that one. He is in ignition.
Oh god.
Oh
We
my.
need to install this one first. Where are the bolts for this one?
We get them.
Yes. I think there's one problem here, and that is that our bolts are M10.
Yes.
These are M8.
Mate. M8.
Hello, mate.
Might we have a, so don't we have any M8 counters? But the head is different also.
Yes, but I think if we have an M8 with the countersink head, it will still look pretty awesome.
M8.
Va?
Har vi någon förskänkt M8?
Men vi hade ju den svarta bara.
Det blir röst.
Här!
Det blir röst.
How long? This.
Doesn't matter.
These are black oxidized steel screws, class 10-9. Not the strength is correct, but black oxidizing is not the best corrosion protection out there. We recommend using stainless steel like A480 or yellow zinc coating or similar. did you find the bolts?
I did. I had two M8 stainless ones.
This, if you have a CFMoto or any other vehicle with M8 mate Australian,
Hello, mate.
if you have we'll have two part numbers, one for M10 and one for M8 with the fairlead, so you get the correct screws in the installation kit.
Because on some vehicles they just have a hole straight through, so you can put
A nut behind.
bolt and nut. Yes.
What's this?
That is my race boat that I built.
Where are you?
Here I am. So
I think this is the Kubota diesel you've been talking so much about.
yes, it's a diesel engine. It's very fast.
Oh my god.
This is yeah.
Three cylinder Kubota diesel. You have the injector. No.
Is this the Rotax diesel engine? And this is the Kubota supercharger they just developed.
So how much power is it in this?
It's 250 horsepower. And,
Great for fishing, I guess.
Yes, it's very fun to drive.
Bolts are secured in the garage where this all began 13 years ago.
10 years ago.
10 years ago. Are you sure?
No.
A long time ago. Still have that request though about if you know how to get the CFMoto to not beep for any reason. If you can, the first one commenting on how to get rid of that beep without the need of reprogramming. I think some sort of solution with tongue pliers. Yeah, that works.
This is like the easiest modification you can do. You have to move it like I do, fortunately. Okay, stop.
I did a great job there!